Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thomre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, KK Polytechnic, Nasik. This video is all about how to use mail merge in Microsoft Word. In this video, you will learn about the step-by-step mail merge wizards from MS Office Word. Mail merge is most often used to print or email forms, letters to multiple recipients. Using mail merge, you can easily customize letters for individual recipient. Mail merge is also used to create envelope or label in bulk. This feature works the same in all modern versions of Microsoft Word like 2010, 2013 and 2016. Let us start with the demonstration. First, to use the mail merge in MS Office Word, let us open the blank Microsoft Word document. In a blank Microsoft Word document, click on Mailing tab, and in the Mailing tab, select the group Start Mail Merge and click on Start Mail Merge. When you are going to click on Start Mail Merge, it will provide the different types of document that you are going to create with mail merge wizard. Let us click on the step-by-step mail merge wizard. When you are going to click on step-by-step mail merge wizard, it will open one dialog box to the right of MS Word window. Now it shows there are total 6 steps to create the mail merge document. The first step is to select the document type. Here there are 5 different types of documents you can prepare with mail merge: letters, email messages, envelopes, labels or directory. You can select your document type. In this demo, I will select letters and then click on Next Starting Document. Now it will shows the second step. Here you have to select the starting document. You may go with the current document. You can start from the template or you can use the existing documents available. In this demo, I will choose current or blank document. So click on Use the current document and then click on Next Select Recipient step. We have to note that selecting Start from existing document, which we are not doing in this demo, changes the view and gives you the option to choose your document. After you choose it, the mail merge wizard revert to the use of current document. When you are going to click on Next step, here you have to select the recipient. Now again, there are 3 different options available. You can use the existing list of recipient. You can select the recipient from your Outlook contacts, or you can type a new list. As I don't have a existing list or Outlook contacts, here in this demo I will choose a option Type a new list. When you are going to click on Type a new list, it will display the next option, Create. Click on Create. When you are going to click on Create, it will open New Address List dialog box. Here you can create a list by adding data in the New Address List dialog box and click on OK button. I will show you how you are going to add the list of recipient. Here under title field, you have to provide the title as Mr. or Mrs. whatever you want. Then provide the first name, then last name. If you know the company name, you can add the company name. You can provide the address. There are different 2 lines available to provide the address. So you have to provide the address 1, address line 2 and then choose the city. You can keep the address line blank also. If the data not available with you for any field, you can keep it as a blank. Now provide the name of city, then state, then zip code. If you want to add the next recipient, click on New Entry button. Again you can provide your details, first name, then last name, then company name, address line 1, then address line 2, then name of the city, then state and zip code. Likewise, you can prepare the list of recipient and then click on OK button. When you are going to click on OK button, it will provide Save Address List dialog box. You can provide the name to the file data list and click on Save button. Note that now that a list has been created, the Mail Merge wizard revert to use an existing list and you have the option to edit the recipient list. Now click on OK button. You can select a different list. You can edit the recipient list or the different operations that you want. When you are going to click on Edit Recipient List, it open up the Mail Merge Recipient dialog box where you can edit the list and select or unselect record. Click on OK to accept the list as it is. Now click on Next Step, Write Your Letter. If you have not already done, you have to write your letter now. Now write the letter and add the custom field. Now click on Address block to add the recipient address at the top of the document. When you are going to click on Address block, it will display Insert Address Block dialog box. You can check or uncheck box and select the option on the left until the address appears the way you want it to. You can choose the different formats or different appearance of your. You can check or uncheck boxes and select option on the left until the address appears the way you want to it. You can insert company name, postal address. You can insert the recipient name in the format. Note that you can use match fields to correct any problem. Clicking match field open up a match field dialog box in which you can associate the fields from your list with the field required by the wizard. You can select the field, whatever the field that you want. Click on OK button. Now press enter on your keyboard and click greeting line to enter the greeting. When you are going to click on greeting line, it will open Insert Greeting Line dialog box. Choose the greeting line format by clicking the drop down arrow and select the option of your choice and then click OK. You can choose Dear to or any one greeting line format, whatever you want. You can also select the format of name representation and then click on OK button. Note that the address block and greeting line are surrounded by chevrons. Now write a letter. I have already written 2 lines of letter and then click on Next Preview Your Letter button. When you are going to click on it, it will preview your letter. Now the next step, you can check the different formats. You are going to click on the selected recipient got selected here. You can check it by clicking on left or right arrow. Now after previewing your letter, click on next step, complete the merge. When you are going to click on complete the merge option, it will shows the 2 different options, whether you want to print the merge letter or whether you want to edit the individual letter. Now click print to print your letter, or you can click on edit individual letter to further personalize some or all of the letters. So this is what all about how we are going to use the mail merge in MS Office Word. Thank you for watching.